Okay, welcome to Kit Hill. Great news, Ellen. The designation of the local nature reserve for Kit Hill Country Park, recognised for its lowland heath. We do various amounts of management within the site, from grazing with animals, with cattle, through swaling, which is the control of burn of the heathland, as well as actually manual cutting. Very popular site, fantastic panoramic views, and yeah, just a fantastic place to be. Very popular with local people, hence the designation as the local nature reserve. It basically means it's protected for austerity, and it's recognised for its resource value, for its recreation value, and as well as its habitat value as well.
That would make a good picture. Right. I want to make everybody has to say knickers. Knickers! Right.